Good day guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video I'm talking about how to separate game audio and Discord audio in OBS. So first let's stop capturing everything. So you need to go to settings and audio. So this is going to be in Discord. So you go settings, audio, and in here, as you can see, desktop audio should be disabled and you should be using different sources. So I just set it to disabled like this, and we're going to add each sound source manually. In your sources dock, click the plus icon, you go back, click on the plus near the sources, and choose application audio capture, which is beta. Okay, choose this. Then name it in any way you wish, and press OK. And now name the first one game, and the second your game's window. So, for example, let me choose Spotify as this example, Spotify Premium, and then, yeah, just leave this at default. There you go, like this. And yeah, actually just rename it. Let's name this game. There you go, great. Oh, it's in use, fine, doesn't matter. Right, and then create a second one named Discord. So go ahead, plus again, application audio, and type in Discord. There you go, press OK, and choose Discord as your window. Discord, there you go, test. Okay. And now you have two separate faders moving independently. As you can see, I have the game right here, and I have Discord. So whenever sound is coming out, you will have, as you can see, this is my microphone, but this is the sound. And you will have different sounds and different sources that will appear here. This graph will be jumping up and down. And you can now mute Discord for your stream while still hearing it in your headset. So if you want to mute Discord, press on this icon. It's muted, but you will still hear it. And that's it. And now your audio is as professional as your gameplay. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.